So OpenAI just got caught secretly testing their upcoming image model, and it is completely insane. It is generating things that no AI image model has ever been able to do. Perfect handwritten text, flawless UI screens, hyper-realistic signs and documents. So today, I'm going to break down exactly what this model can do, and also show you how you might still be able to use it yourself. Alright, so we first found out about this when 3 new image models hit the AI arena. Arena AI, previously known as LLM Arena, is a platform where people test out different AI models. Here, companies secretly test their new AI models by giving them different code names to get feedback from users anonymously. A similar case happened here. 3 new image models started to appear on this specific website, and they were codenamed masking tape, packing tape, and gaffer tape. These new image models are completely insane. They can generate stuff that no other AI model has ever been able to do this well. I think that these 3 image models are actually the same AI image model with different names. Now, a user by the name of Justin Moore got access to these models inside of Arena AI, and she gave the model 2 simple prompts. The first prompt asked the AI model to generate the average engineer screen, and this is the image that the AI model was able to generate from that specific prompt. As you can see, this image looks completely flawless. Even if I zoom in here, you will see that there is actually no distortion in the text. It looks like an actual screenshot of a coder's laptop or computer screen. The most impressive part is that the AI model also got the different logos of the apps that people use completely correct. These apps have the same logo in real life, and these logos are not getting distorted at all. Now, the user also gave the AI model another prompt, which was to generate a young man taking a selfie with Sam Altman, and this is the image that the AI model generated. As you can see, the AI model is currently capable of generating pictures of prominent people. It seems like the censorship of this AI model in this testing phase is quite low, but I don't know whether it will last once the AI model is released to the public. Another thing here is that I think the official release name of this specific AI model is going to be GPT-Image-2, as it is a huge leap in comparison to the current publicly available image model from OpenAI, which is called GPT-Image-1.5. Here is another example of an image generated using this specific model. This seems to be a screenshot of the YouTube home screen. I think the user who asked the AI model to generate this specific image gave it a prompt like, "Generate the home screen of YouTube," and the AI model generated this image. The most interesting thing here is that it looks like an actual screenshot of the YouTube home screen. When I first looked at this image, I actually thought this user was just trolling, and this was an actual screenshot of his YouTube homepage. But I realized that this is an AI-generated image, because after zooming in a bit, I noticed that the logo for the MrBeast YouTube channel does not match the actual logo of MrBeast. The logo here is completely distorted, but the texts here are absolutely correct. The smaller texts in this specific image are not getting distorted at all, and they are grammatically correct, which makes this model insane for generating infographics and longer texts. Here is another example from this specific image model. In this image, as you can see, this is a handwritten notebook, and the image is hyper-realistic. In no way, shape, or form will anyone be able to tell this is an AI-generated image because it looks so realistic. The handwritten language here is completely identical to the handwriting of a human being, and the lighting for this specific image is also very good. Here's another example of a hyper-realistic image generation from GPT-Image-2. This is a picture of a store captured by a phone, and it looks completely realistic. The main thing here is that the AI model has improved a lot on the natural lighting inside of an image. Previous image models from OpenAI had a problem where they would make the lighting too smooth, which would make the image look kind of stupid. Now, they seem to have fixed that problem. The lighting is reflecting naturally and jaggedly from different surfaces, which makes the image look very natural and quite spectacular. Now, I want to show you some new things that this specific image model can do, which no other AI image model could remotely do previously. This is an image of all the logos of different AI companies. For this specific image, the AI model was asked to generate all the AI company logos specifically. The AI model generated the logos of OpenAI, Meta, Google, xAI, NVIDIA, Gemini, Anthropic, Microsoft Copilot, Amazon AI, Claude, DeepSeek, and the list just goes on. The most interesting thing here is that the image model has an understanding of the context and knows all the AI models. The main fact here is that this AI model generates all the logos of the AI companies correctly. Previously, if you asked other AI models, including Nano Banana Pro, to generate an image of a specific company logo, they would just not be able to generate it. Most of the time, the image would be wrong, or it would be so distorted that you wouldn't be able to tell it was a logo for any company. Whereas this AI model has the ability, perhaps by searching the web or something, to generate actually correct images of the logos of different companies, which is very useful and an insane use case. Another thing here is that this AI model is very intelligent. This is going to be the first reasoning AI image model, so it will actually understand physics and not just replicate it. For example, here the AI model was asked to generate a floor plan for a living and dining room, and it generated the complete floor plan for a house. As you can see, this plan will actually work. The AI model was able to correctly specify where the dining area should be, where the living area should be, where the kitchen is, and how people are going to go to the kitchen. It even added a section for a patio. It placed the TV in a position where it can be seen from the dining table and also from the living area. This image model has actual intelligence, which it can use to logically create complex images. Obviously, the image model is also able to generate different gameplay footages. Here we have an image of Fortnite gameplay, and these are a few cool examples of futuristic games and real games. Now, I am going to show you how you might be able to use the AI model. First, you need to search the term Arena AI and go to the official website of arena.ai. After clicking here, you are going to get a landing page like this. After coming here, select the battle mode, and then select the option called Generate Images. After selecting it, you are going to give a prompt in this prompt box. So I'm going to say something like, generate an image of a squirrel. After giving the prompt, we are going to get two different AI models generating the same image from the same prompt. After the AI models have generated the images, we are going to be able to see what kind of image model generated our image. This squirrel image was generated by GPT-Image-2, which is the older publicly available model from OpenAI. But if you do it enough times, you are sometimes going to get an image generated by one of these three codenamed models. When you get an image generated by a model with a codename like masking tape, packing tape, or gaffer tape, you will know that the image was generated by the new and upcoming model from OpenAI. That is a way you can early test the image model. That was about it for the video. See you in the next one.